This how to 1 minute will show you how to add jot form to your Wix website. So as you can see, currently I'm in my jot website and here's my form I just created. Now to add this form to my Wix website, here click on publish, scroll down to this left hand menu and click on platforms, and here click on this search box and type Wix. Now click on Wix and here you will get your embedding code. So copy this code from here and now go to your Wix site editor. Here's adding a new section and selecting blank section, and now I'm clicking on add elements, selecting embed code and selecting embed HTML, and all you have to do is just paste here the code, click on update, and now we will make the form bigger according to our requirements. And here we can see my jot form has been successfully embedded to my Wix website. So this is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe how to 1 minute. See you in the next video.